What's up, y'all? Y'all already know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2009 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, we're not going to actually be installing a radio. I have to do some warranty work on this factory radio, so we will be taking that out, and I just want to show y'all how to take that part out. But if you're going to be installing your own radio, I will have the links to all the parts in the description so you know what goes best for the car, whether you have the non-amplified or amplified system. So this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is take this out. Now I'm taking this, or take this up. This is going to be hard. There's two ridges right here that keep this thing on there really tight, so when you go in, you got to make sure you kind of give it a hard tap. Pulling it up is not going to be easy. Well, it's going to be easy, it's just going to be rough. After you pull that up, we want to take this part out. So let's see if we can't put a panel remover, pop up some of those clips, take my hand the rest of the way. We have one harness right here that we want to take out. Might be able to just lay that to the side. Yeah, let's lay that to the side. Next, this little bar, take that out. Do the exact same thing on this side. Take that part off. All right, now that we have that part taken off, put my light on for you. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 behind there, 4, and 5. So there's going to be 10 Phillips, 5 on each side. Let's go ahead and take all these screws out. All right, so first thing I did was take these 4 Phillips out, one right there, one right here, and one on the other side. That's going to take this pocket out. Now we do want to unclip this harness because it's going to be in the way, and just put that right there. Now that we've taken that out, now we can actually get to that Phillip that's behind there. And I've already taken out the ones that's right up here at the top. As a matter of fact, I think in order to get that pocket off, we have to take this little trim part off, which is in there kind of tight. All right, so we had those two Phillips over there. We had to take this part out. So what I did is I just opened up the pocket and kind of took my finger down here, but they were in kind of tight. That's why I put the camera down. Those clips are in there really tight. Snag that off. Now it allows us to take this out. Bruh, is there a clip behind here? Screw at the bottom. Okay, bottom of the pocket, guys. That's why that thing didn't want to come out. Oh, so easy. Take that pocket out, put him on the floor. All right, now the radio itself will stay in place. When we take our panel removal tool and pull this part off, it's going to be all trim, because this right here is all one piece, even around the AC, if I'm not mistaken, if the whole thing doesn't come out by itself. So try to be as careful as possible. Yeah, that dash is pretty hard, so I should be able to get my removal tool in there. I had to come in right here on this part and get my panel removal. I needed to use 2 hands because I didn't want to break anything, so I hope you guys don't hold that against me. But now that I've done that, all right guys, so it's actually easier for me to just take out the AC harnesses and just kind of hold this up here while it's on the dash, because all we need to get to is that 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, or you can use a 7mm bolt, and we'll have that radio. All right guys, so it was actually just easier for me to actually take out the AC control harnesses and then just kind of prop this up on the dash a little bit. We'll kind of hold it up with my hand so I can get to these screws, because I only have 2 Phillips at the top, 1 on each side, and we'll actually have that radio. Pull it out. All right, man, so that's about it for this video. Like I said, we're not actually installing anything. We're just gonna kind of ship this one off to the factory so it can be worked on. But that's how you take your factory radio out. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, this your boy JP signing out.